Hey guys, Cleetus McFarland here at Ford Fest, Holley Performance and the NMRA. Behind us, you see two pristine Crown Victorias. One's a 2006, one's a 2008. One is for show, one is for go. This one's about 900 horsepower, this one's about 225. Cooper's butt dyno. Just picked this one up at the airport this morning, had a fan bring it to us so we could have something fun to rip around while we're here for Ford Fest. And then we're doing some drifting with this one. Actually, Vaughn Gittin's gonna drive it tonight. That's the plan, and we're super excited about that. So I did some drifting earlier. I am a noob, but I had a blast. Didn't spin out, didn't hit a wall, so we're good there. But we're hoping to go like 4 deep with Vaughn and just have a blast with a bunch of people in the car and just do some professional drifting stuff because he has some skills like I've never seen before.